What's up, everybody? We got a lot of new growth here, you see that? So we're gonna put a Cliove organic keratin treatment in my hair.
3, 2, 1, let's go!
Yeah, I hear them fireworks going off. That's for those curls. Are these curls giving anybody else peace when you look at them? The birds love it. They are singing because it is so beautiful to be restored. Hallelujah. One time for the one time, hit it in slow motion. Look at the elasticity.
Throw your hands up if you with it, drop it.
I am clarified. Now it's time to detango. Let's go. All right, now we're gonna put the serum in for the blow dry, and we're gonna blow dry that in there really good. This is a really good product. It works really good for my hair. I had a color in my hair and my hair just got really stressed out, and it was cold out here in Denver, and I got this Cliove organic keratin treatment, and it really saved my hair and it stopped the breakage, which allowed my hair to get back to this length. I was about double this length. So I'm gonna start back on my hair treatments, and yeah, you guys will be able to be on that journey with me and see how soon I can get my hair back down to my back. Alright guys, we're almost done. I didn't want to put you through the torture of watching my hand go super fast trying to get my whole head done. So I just came back on just for this last little piece because this is a very intensive part of the treatment. You have to go over your hair so many times to really get that keratin in. So yeah, I'm just giving you the last little bits of it to show you guys the process and the finishing touches to it, so I can get ready to go get in the shower and go hang out with my family and have some fun. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned, more hair videos coming up. If there's something that you guys would like to see, put it in the comment box and I will do my best to bring you guys that material. God bless you. I love you. Have an awesome day, night, evening, whatever time span it is that you are watching.
The day's gone too far for us to